What's going on, guys? My name is Drew, or Kuso Gaming, of course, and welcome to episode 2 of Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Now, this is a little awkward to talk about. It really is. If you guys notice, next to the continue button there is a 3, and that means that we've completed night 2. So let me give you the skinny. Let me give you the rundown. So basically, yesterday I recorded the second episode, quote-unquote, of Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Played night 2. It was actually almost identical to night 1 because I only got jump scared once, and it was from Chica. So it looked exactly the same almost as night 1. But for some reason, the program I used interfered with a program that I wasn't using at the time to record games, interfered with Fraps, which was what I was using to record. So that decided to not work. So I have my face cam video of the episode, but that's it. I don't have any gameplay. So I'm very sorry about that. To be completely honest, it wasn't that exciting. Only got jump scared once. Not really anything funny to go down with it. Just a lot of tiny Fred bears. That's about it. But anyways, why don't we get to night 3? Night 3. Oh, and also, apparently in night 2, if it's like 5 o'clock, Foxy likes to start coming for you, because he was in the closet. So, let's play. Frickin', oh, I hate this game. I don't. It's a fantastic game, but I don't enjoy. Headphones on. Oh boy. Let's get started. Right out of the gate, I know they're gonna be coming for me. Oh! Already, Bonnie? Really, Bonnie? Already? That was my fault. I did kind of let it happen. I heard the footsteps. I didn't know if it was running towards me or away from me. That was my fault. Oh God, it's terrifying. Haven to shaven. Oh, it gives me chills every time that happens. It really does. Oh my God. I feel like Bonnie's... What was that? They're in the kitchen. They're trying to steal my bread. They're trying to steal my Honey Nut Cheerios. No. Okay. Oh God, get out of here. Don't even think about touching my Honey Nut Cheerios. Bonnie. Chica. You just... Ugh! Bonnie! Stop! Oh! Dang it! It's not fun! Chica hasn't jump scared me once this episode, and it's always Bonnie now. I've been jump scared the same amount in this night alone, and I haven't even made it past 1 o'clock in the past 2 episodes. It's those footsteps that get me every freaking time. Every time. I don't know if they're coming towards me or going away from me. See, like that. I just can't tell. And then Foxy's gonna come, and that's gonna be a hoot and a half to have to deal with. Better get back, Chica. I heard her. I heard her. And her little... What? That was Foxy! Foxy's in the hallway. Oh, I need to check the Fredbears. Oh! I can't win. I cannot win. Frickin' Foxy's in the hallway. I didn't know Foxy could come out into the hallway. Poking his little beak, whatever, nose, snuff, whatever. Jerk. Yeah, I'm looking at you. It's a nice comforter. What the balls? Get out of my closet! Go! I need to check on Fredbear. What do I need to do to beat them? It's so freaking depressing. Oh no, no! Wait, hold on. Hold on. I just did it out of the game. Please tell me. No! No! We interrupt this program to bring you a special news bulletin. Your host, Kuso Gaming, is a complete and total moron. Oh, no. Oh. I just deleted everything. No. Why, Foxy? Foxy and Bonnie, what the crap, man? Well, I guess that's gonna do it for this episode of Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Oh my gosh. First I lose episode 2. Then I lose all my progress by freaking not paying attention to what button I'm hitting. Whatever. Next episode, we will continue with night 3. I'll get us back there. It's just gonna be a hoot and a half having to play this over again. Won't be too hard. It's gonna be hard. Alright. Well, anyways guys, I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please do slap that like button for me screaming my buns off like a little girl. And yeah, that's about my time. My name is Drew, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.